Hey guys, Mr. Pot here. Earlier today I was filling my soap dispensers when I noticed something strange happening. At first I thought the soap was just splashing against the container, but then I took a closer look and realized it's actually jumping. I'm going to try and catch this on video for you. Check it out. So when I first noticed this happening, I didn't know what to think. I wasn't sure what was going on. If you missed it, I'm going to play it again, this time in slow motion. Watch for the long lines of soap that just seem to randomly spout out from the main pour. It's kind of a cool effect, but like most things when I first discover them, I really want to know what's going on. I want to know the why. Today's experiment is a really simple one. You're going to need some stuff around the house to do it. What you're looking for is a soap or a body wash that's really thick and a flat surface that you can conduct the experiment on. Now it's going to get a little bit messy today, so make sure you're not working near carpet or fabrics or anything that you could ruin. What you want to do is to slowly pour the body wash onto the smooth surface like a plate. As you pour, raise the container up slowly. What you should begin to notice is that the body wash will begin to pile up on itself, and once your container is high enough, you'll start to notice small jets come shooting off of the sides. So what's really happening here? What we're seeing is something called the Kaye Effect. It's spelled K-A-Y-E, and it's named after British engineer Alan Kay, who first discovered it in 1963. Body wash is a very viscous fluid. It's another way of saying it's thick. When you pour it into your hand, it tends to stay in a pile, and that's a good thing because the last thing you want is for it to pour out of your hand all over the shower floor. It remains thick until you start to rub it over your skin. Then it spreads out and it flows much easier. Body wash is what's known as a non-Newtonian shear thinning fluid. When a force or a stress is applied to it, like rubbing it on your skin, it goes from being thick to thin. It's the opposite of oobleck, which is also a non-Newtonian fluid, but it's a shear thickening fluid. When you apply force or stress to oobleck, it goes from being a flowing liquid to an almost solid state. When the stream of body wash hits the pile, it forms a small divot. The liquid forming the divot gets shear thinned by the force of the stream of the body wash falling into the pile, and that shear thin liquid acts like a lubricant which allows the body wash to shoot out in different directions. If you watch closely, you can actually see this happening in your experiment. So now you know why your soap or body wash might jump when you pour it. It's the Kaye Effect. If you're curious about other liquids in your house that might be non-Newtonian shear thinning fluids, this is a great experiment to test them out. Just make sure to get permission before you go testing, especially if you're not the one that buys the soap in your house. If you like this video and want to see more of what I get up to in the future, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button below. And if you have a question or suggestion for an upcoming video, leave those in the comments. If you do try other liquids at home, let me know which ones you get to jump. Until next time, cheers.